Then they clap hand for worship.
They do.
Buchi, brother mo. Dora buchi, ibonye pe. Onya negbu doro. Doro. Aka negbu mkpa doro. Doro. Ukuna kunkwa doro. Ukuna kokasi doro. Ukuna ga pyambo doro. Sanusi fafunwa doro. Italy people doro. Akaraka doro. Amen. Yesterday we said make una tell us what be the best things we happen to una for 2015.
Yes.
And what be your New Year resolution? What is that thing when it be say?
Sheyi, now what for you, Sheyi? So you don't even used to forget something. About the man from Holland is Jeff.
Yes, Jeff. Not be your Jeff now, Sheyi.
I don't know.
Now, but before we continue, our opening studies. One prisoner, one them throw for inside prison. He want escape. And now know how he go take escape.
If person in prison, which kind? No.
You wait don't go prison before. How not take the escape? Talk. Why they laugh? You wait don't go prison. How not take the escape? If you want escape?
No, we go wait until about 1:07 a.m.
Well, where you follow? Where you dey follow escape?
Na tunnel.
Now, but this person na toilet.
How?
Toilet.
Road no the toilet now.
No, you know thing happen. Maybe I dey wonder how you go take do that toilet own. Maybe you go come out the seat. Because I know say for you both not be Nigeria here. You both our own na
cement.
Okay, so he enter.
I no one think come.
So wait first.
But the one where they my mind where they annoy me now.
Say people for.
Not be that people anything. One man don't look for babe. Look for babe. No babe, agree follow him.
Therefore,
babe not agree that time. Therefore, he come vex.
Can't take serious measure.
Easy Pete. See him. The man vex. Cut a machine gun come out. Because woman not agree that time.
So now when he caught this machine gun now, waiting come be the.
No, he not go there. No, sir, because the machine gun there. Now can they feel like make woman that time so that he go feel use the machine gun minister to them.
Okay.
He go feel now. He go feel they will go do surgery now. Maybe who know if he be Kathleen Jenner now. They can't change that. He go come become woman, but an ugly woman he go be. For woman not agree that time. But why you go cut the machine gun? So this is from what they there now.
No, he no know that one now. I go to the young. If for ask us, for give a akaraka details.
And it wouldn't annoy me pass my own anger. My own anger, my personal anger.
Yes.
Machine gun will not do anything. Innocent machine gun where they own. Innocent being.
Can't decide no.
Can't decide say na him you want go cut.
There's one thing that.
It just be like say one boy. Sorry.
One boy.
When girl, boy not greet us girl. What can she go cut? Maybe that matter for another day.
That's a bit.
You know, what you go cut?
Calaman
Just leave and like that. Just leave and like that. Now,
maybe they send us tweet message. Maybe
the one way.
Maybe I didn't know. Now Karaka people they laugh.
How can I get people now they laugh?
They know they play with this 2016.
This one happen for inside Delta. One man, he go look for something from what girls. You know, guess where they sell them body for money. Where they call prostitute, not big column. Now the man can't go there for servicing in engine done the week.
So he go there to jumpstart everything.
To jumpstart everything.
So in the negotiation process.
See the picture.
So in the
the man go. The money where they agree say go pay. He not come pay up to the money. Now the guys gather. I could if this man even think I could pan.
No, the negotiation I don't know make it under the race because of now you feel at that moment. You see?
True, Sha. Maybe so, when the man negotiate the price. No, because
at that moment,
you don't get one way one guy talk one day. Say the girl tell us say 500,000. I say for how many years? For how many years? 500,000.
No, it depends on the specification. You don't know.
You're not gold.
No, my brother.
ATM machine.
He get some kind. My brother.
So if you just go now, come outside, your life go change.
Hey,
money
you don't know. You go reach heaven, come back.
How many minutes? Like easy now, 1 minute.
It's not. It's not like that, though. The journey so far in that thing, I don't know how you look at this, but now I'm forgetting about maybe they don't do manifesto. They can't sell the thing very well. Give him.
He get one friend where I get. Get one friend of my friend. That guy, it's why they tell say easy bit 1 minute. That guy. Hey, Carlo. M. Carlo.
Why you calling them Nedu?
No, I'm not calling name. In them where they don't know. Nah, call.
Okay.
M. Carlo. That guy will go for 24 hours. 7 days.
Nah.
Machine 7 days or now.
Even Jen, nothing go for 7 days.
My
Like
sister,
that.
he's a generator. Lister. Power horse. Anyway, we tell you yesterday, say what will be the best thing will happen to you for 2015 and what will be the thing where you want to do different for 2016. Also, we they check the best videos of 2015. Yesterday, now only 4 videos. Now we took eye on top. Today, we will continue with the topic and also the videos. What did they laugh on top?
Because DJ Baby say, no, Nedu, there is nothing like innocent machine gun.
Innocent machine gun day?
No.
Oh, you think that people when they do something,
machine
gun,
no.
Now the machine, now the people go.
Maybe you mean to say machine gun that is sleeping, a sleeping machine gun that is not in use.
My brother, boy, you know say get machine pump when they say. Anyway, we go watch our first video. No more go break, come back. We'll come back. We'll go watch our first video. And the video now lie. You know, say when they ask whether Kizane win any award, now person say lie, baby, go jaw. When we come back, we'll go watch the video of like one of the best videos for 2015. When they come back.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.